free scanner. What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I want to show you guys where to find stocks to day trade on the WeBull platform. I've gotten a lot of questions from you guys asking me where I find the stocks that I day trade on WeBull. So I'm going to show you guys that today. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So if you are a day trader and you're looking to start day trading, or you are kind of like a hybrid trader or a swing trader, you're looking for opportunities, you can definitely leverage the WeBull platform. That's one of the reasons why I love the platform, because a lot of the stuff that they give you, the tools they give you on the platform is free. If you are looking for stocks that you can day trade, WeBull really provides you a good free scanner. A lot of it you don't even have to do the process of setting up. I'm going to do a separate video to show you how you can actually customize your own scanner, your own gap scanner. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you what WeBull gives you for free at no cost to you, so you can actually look at some of the stocks and start trading them. So the things that we're going to look at today is where to find pre-market gappers, where to find extended hours. So after hours gappers, we're going to find where earnings report, so companies that have their earnings report coming up, we're going to show you to also find IPOs, up and coming IPOs, so that you can actually get ready, or maybe trade them the day they actually start trading in the market. So those four things, again, we will provide them to you at no extra cost. So we're going to jump right in and take a look. So once you log into your WeBull account, you have major tabs like what you see up here. So you have the home, you have market, you have trade, you have pricing, download, and help. In this case, I want you to click on the market tab. So if you click on the market tab, that's it's gonna bring you to the screen that we currently have right now. Again, this is the WeBull web app on your mobile phone. It's a little bit different. I think I'm gonna show how you can do it on the mobile phone in a separate video, but today the focus will be on the web app on your computer. So basically, once you get here, here's where I want you to go. If you just scroll down, if you look right here where it says extended hours, so EXT stands for extended hours ranking. So if you click on this list, this is going to show you the list of stocks that are trading either pre-market or after hours, the stocks that are gapping. So it's going to show you right now. So it's based on the ranking here is based mostly either by volume or by market cap. So there's different ways that it ranks, but right here, this is a list. There's a list that you can see here. Is a list of the stocks that are gapping after hours, so extended hours. So extended hours, again, for those of you that are new, the market opens at 8:30 Central Time. That's my time. So for you, if you're Eastern, it will be at 9:30, and likewise. For those of you that are Pacific time, you get that difference. The market opens then, and then you can trade until 3 p.m. Central time. Again, for me, you do the math if you are in a different time zone. So when the market closes, most people don't have the ability to trade based on the platform that they are using. But if you have WeBull, this is one of the excellent features that I love about WeBull, is that they have the extended hour trading. So you can actually buy and sell stocks extended hours, which is awesome. And I'm going to do a separate video on that for you guys. So you look at this, you look at the stocks that are gapping right here. You can pick them. So you can take this the ticker symbol here. You go into you go to trade, and then you can actually pull that ticker symbol and then see if that stock is something that you can trade. Usually the top ones here, I usually go by top 5 here, are the ones that would be gapping pretty good. So this is one place where you find stocks that you can trade pre or after hours. This is the list. Okay, so now if you again see, if you go back to market again, and I'm going to show you guys, if you go back to market, you scroll down a little bit, you see these other options you have. So we talked about top gainers. So for today, the market, this is the stocks. These are the stocks that were top gainers for the day. So you can see that right here. It shows you. And even during the day, once you're trading, I usually come to this page and refresh this and see what options I have. And sometimes a stock will just pop up and show up on these lists that I didn't see it pre-market. So it will show up here, and I will jump in and go take a look at the stock and see what's going on and read some news about it. And hopefully it's something that maybe some good news just came out. Let's say, for instance, if one of the COVID stocks, there's a vaccine, or maybe their tests are doing pretty good, and so that would kind of spike the stock. And then you can jump in there. If there's a ride, you jump in, make some profit, and get out. So that's where you get that. And then right next to this is where you get top losers. Again, these are stocks that are not performing good. So if you're a short seller, you might want to take a look at this list, because this is where you can find the stocks that you can actually short in the market. If these stocks are going south, then you can jump in and read the news about why the stock is going south and ride that wave all the way down. And then again, here are a list of most active stocks. So you can take a look at it again. Most active. Why are these stocks active? You can see it. So it could be active by volume. There's other reasons why the stocks could be active. You can definitely trade those. And then the other thing that I want to show you guys here is that they also do IPO offerings. So right here you can see this list here. I think there's 2, 4, 6, 8 companies right here, and they do. If you click IPO offerings, then you can see even more. See, there's more here, but and it's if you go by date. So today, when I was recording this video, is September 17. You can see that today there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 IPOs that went out today. So I was actually watching AMWL and Sumo. Those are the two that I was watching today. But look at this. This is good stuff. They give you stuff for free, so you can actually make an informed decision about where you're investing. And then right next to it, you get IPO files. So you look at companies that are filed for IPO. So if you know a company that has filed for IPO, you can actually come here and see it. And sometimes I'll see companies that file for IPO, and then I don't even know these companies. I'll go read about them, and then it's like, oh, okay, that makes sense. I understand the business. I see what they're up to, and then I'll keep my eye on that particular IPO and see if I want to buy the IPO, or I just want to wait until it goes public and I'll buy. And then next to it here you have earnings. Again, this is another trading strategy. So you can trade based on either earnings report. So you wait for the earnings to come out, and then you can actually jump in and maybe catch the ride. If the earnings are good, chances of the stock is going to pop. You can catch that ride all the way up and get out. If the earnings are really bad, chances are the stock is going to tank. You can short that thing all the way down and get out and make some profit. So then even like dividends and stuff like that. So that is another option that you can actually see here. So just a recap here, let's go back to market. So again, this is where you can find stocks that you can day trade on WeBull. Free scanner. WeBull does the work for you. You don't have to do anything. But WeBull also have their own space where you can actually customize your scanner. Like I said, I'm going to do a separate video for that. So if you look again, we talked about extended hours, which is pre-market and after market. So you can look here, it would show you which stocks are actually popping. And then we can talk about top gainers. This is the stocks that are top gainers during the market hours. So 8:30 to 3, what stocks are the top gainers for the day. And then we talked about top losers, and we talked about most active. We talked about IPO offerings, and then we talked about IPO file. And those are all the places where WeBull gives you the opportunity to find stocks that you can definitely day trade in the market, or stocks that you can actually swing, or IPOs that you can get ready for and buy them. Again, as you can see, guys, these are all free services that WeBull provide. You know, that's one of the reasons, again, like I said, I love the service. So let me know what you think about this. Have you used any of this? Do you use them, or do you have a separate scanner? I've seen people that pay money to get this information. They subscribe to different services where people have scanners set up, and they send them this exact same list and that they use for trading. And just to give you guys some context, I've actually done an experiment where I did sign up for some of the guys that give you the daily watch list, and for the top gappers for the morning, and the list matches WeBull. I mean, if WeBull has the same scanner, why would you want to go pay money or subscribe to some guy to get it? So you can definitely get that for free. Again, I'm going to do a separate video to show you how you can actually customize the scanner. So if you have specific maybe criteria that you're looking for, you can actually put that in the scanner and come up with your own list that is unique to you. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, if you're new, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking to get started investing, WeBull is currently doing a promotion where if you sign up and actually deposit $100, you get a free stock. You also get access to their level 2 information. I think that's going to go all the way to like December. So definitely check it out and take advantage of that. I'm going to put the links in the description below. And as always, guys, don't be a greedy savage and stay motivated.